In this video, I will show you a highly effective trading strategy with one of the most accurate indicators on TradingView. This trading strategy shows great results on lower time frames like the 5 minutes and 15 minutes, so if you're a day trader who wants to make quick and consistent profits, this strategy is exactly for you. It can also be used in higher time frames like 1 hour and even the daily chart. It works very well on cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins, on major forex pairs, commodities, and stocks. I tested this strategy 100 times, and here are the results. I started trading with a $5,000 account balance. I use 5 to 10% of my account per trade. For example, if I profit $100 on a trade, my new balance is $5,100, and I use 5 to 10% of this updated balance for the next trade. Conversely, the opposite is true for losing trades. Traders, before we start, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. So, the strategy I'm going to share with you today is rooted in trend trading. If you don't know what that is, it's a method where you capitalize on the dominant direction of the market. A key advantage of trend trading is that it leverages the market's natural momentum, allowing for potentially substantial gains. However, it does require discipline to stick with the trend during minor market corrections and not get swayed by temporary fluctuations. But don't worry, the strategy I'm about to show you in this video incorporates a very simple method to minimize risk and is highly reliable in pinpointing the best trade entries. The strategy includes one indicator only. In order to add it, click on the Indicators tab and search for LuxAlgo Signals and Overlays Premium. It is the most popular premium tool created by LuxAlgo. It has almost 26K likes, which tells us that it is quite legit, so click that to add it to your chart. LuxAlgo mentions that the ideal way to utilize this indicator is to explore through all of the features over time. Pick and choose 2 to 3 that best suit your style of trading and stick with those to create your own trading strategy. In this video, we will do exactly that. Now let's click the settings of the Signals and Overlays indicator, go to Presets Filters, and enable the Trend Strength filter. Set the signal sensitivity to the actual optimal value. You will find the recommended value in the dashboard, which is this one in the right bottom corner. Or alternatively, you can use the autopilot sensitivity, which will adjust the signals dynamically. Set the signal mode and the candle coloring both to confirmation, and make sure to enable the Smart Trail indicator overlay. Our setup is ready, so when exactly should we enter long or short trades? Here are the exact rules for a buy position. Make sure to pay close attention to every single one of them. So for a valid buy signal, there must be 2 conditions met. First, the price needs to pull back and we need to see a bounce off the blue Smart Trail indicator. Second, we need to wait for a strong confirmation signal, which is this green up arrow with a plus. If both conditions are met, we can enter a buy trade, and we are going to book profit as soon as a sell signal appears. Alright, let me show you another example for a valid buy signal. Here we can see the price action pulled back and bounced off the blue Smart Trail indicator. A few candles later, a strong confirmation signal is being printed, so we can comfortably enter a buy trade. We let the trade run until we get a sell signal printed. Now we can see a sell signal is being printed, so we are going to exit our trade with a really good profit. The exact opposite is true for sell trades. For a sell signal to be valid, there must be 2 conditions met. First, we need to see the price action pulls back and gets rejected off the red Smart Trail indicator. Second, we need to wait for a strong sell confirmation signal, which is this red down arrow with a plus. If both conditions are met, we can enter a sell trade, and we are going to book profit as soon as a buy signal appears. Now we can see a buy signal is being printed, so we are going to exit our trade, another winning trade. Let me show you one more example for a sell entry signal. We can see that the price action pulled back and got rejected off the red Smart Trail indicator. A few candles later, a strong sell confirmation signal is being printed, so we can comfortably enter a sell trade. We let the trade run until we get a buy signal being printed. And here we exit our trade. That was another amazing winning trade. If you're looking to take your trading to the next level, be sure to give the LuxAlgo Premium Indicator a try, and don't forget to click my link in the description to get up to a 50% discount using annual payment. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading Forex, stocks, and crypto, check out one of these videos.